Brahmari Pranayama, or B breath, is a soothing breath practice. And so it's often done in a restorative shape, like supported child's pose, which is where we're going to practice it. So to do Brahmari, you'll breathe in through your nose, and then on your exhale, through closed lips, you'll make a buzzing or a humming sound, just like a bee. That sound will last however long your exhale lasts. Then when you need to inhale again, you'll fall back into silence, inhale through your nose, and then continue that buzzing again on your exhale. So if you do this breath practice in a group, you'll hear the buzzing around you continue even when you go silent, and you'll hear it louder again as more people come in. It'll go softer as more people need to breathe. So it's a great practice to do as part of a group because you can hear your contribution to the community, but also know that the community is out there supporting you. So when you need to breathe or when you need to do anything else in life, the rest of the community will support you. So let's give a few rounds. You're going to take your knees wide with your big toes together and bring your bolster in between your knees. And then you'll recline down, bringing one ear onto the bolster. Feel free to close your eyes in this position. We'll do a few rounds of Brahmari breath, and then we'll come up and back into silence. So breathing in through your nose. And that is Brahmari Pranayama.